Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add layer in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and don't know how to create layers, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app. Now, choose a photo that you want to edit. Now, to add layers, click on Tools at the bottom menu. Here, scroll a bit and you'll see double exposure option. Click on it. Now, click here to add another photo over it. Once you're happy, click here to save changes. Now, again, click on Tools. Again, go on double exposure and add another layer, that is click here and choose a photo that you want to add as another layer. For example, this one. Click here to save changes, and as you can see there are two double exposure layers here. Now to access them, simply click here and click on view edits, and now you can see different layers like double exposure, original, and you can see different settings over here. And similarly, you can edit another layer, that is this one, by clicking here. And that's how you can add layers in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.